In this video I am going to tell you how you can use Microsoft Clarity for your website. So first of all, you need to install a plugin. You need to go to plugins and click on add a plugin, and herein you need to look for Microsoft Clarity, and just press on enter. You can see this is a plugin. You need to install this plugin here and activate it. I have already installed it, so it's from Microsoft only. After activating it, you can see Clarity is showing here. Just tap on this option. So herein, after that, you need to click on this option, this link, Clarity link, and this will open up this page for you, clarity.microsoft.com, and herein you need to use your email ID. So you need to click on get started. You need to sign in to your Microsoft account, or you can use your Google account as well. Just tap on your Google account if you have any Google account. So after logging in, you will get this option. From here you can simply enter your name, you can enter your project name, you can enter your URL. So this is my URL. I will enter this here. Website industry, you can select anything, B2B, healthcare, wellness, you can select anything, your industry as per requirement. Click on accept additional terms and condition, and just click on add new project. So I hope you know how to add a project on Microsoft Clarity. It is very useful. So after that, you can see these are the options. You can view all platforms here, like install third-party platform, install it manually. You can copy paste the tracking code in the head of your site, then simply input npm. So after that, you can go to this Clarity option and enable cookies for Clarity. Click on allow. Then you can move on to the Clarity page. Select your project from here, Parveen Puji, you can select, and click on get started. I am logged into my Clarity here as well, that's why it's showing here. So just select your project here. Few minutes to set up, it is not very difficult. You will be able to set up your Microsoft Clarity to your website, and it is very useful. It will give you all the data of your website. It is asking you to sign in here. You can just sign in here. You can use the same email ID which you have used there. So now you can see I am now signed in. So it will fetch the data for you. Data will continue to show within a few hours. I just added it. So you can see session it will show session, pages per session, scroll depth, active time. So it is not showing as of now because just added it. So I hope friends, now you will be able to add Microsoft Clarity to your website. I just showed you live demo how to do it. It will show you insight, all user intent. So if I see this tomorrow or day after tomorrow, it will show automatically because it is a new account. So that's why it's not showing, but it will show all these. You can select days wise as well, today, yesterday, and you can apply days from here. You can customize date as well, so it will show you everything. So I hope friends, now you will be able to add Microsoft Clarity to your WordPress website. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.